This is really cool.
Yeah, you look really cool.
Your nose has to fit in.
Yeah.
Good morning everyone, I hope you're all doing well. This is David Hoffman from Davidsbeenhere in Jorhat, Assam, India, Northeast India. I'm here with my friend Rishi, and today we are headed to Majuli, the biggest island river in the world. It's actually the second biggest now because of erosion, right?
Yeah, soil erosion.
Ah, that's sad, but still.
Yeah, and it's on the biggest river in Assam, the Brahmaputra, the mighty Brahmaputra. And its current is very high.
Yeah, that is the widest river in India.
Yeah.
And basically what we have to do is we have to leave Jorhat, we have to drive like 20-30 minutes, right?
Yeah, 20-30 minutes, right? And we'll have to cross by through a ferry. Then we'll have to cross the Brahmaputra river. Then we'll reach the island, Majuli.
Perfect. And then once we get there, we're gonna have some breakfast. I'm starving, maybe some puri, some sabji, and then we're gonna go see some masks. This place is famous for their masks.
Mask making.
They look really cool.
Yeah.
I hope we get to see them making the masks. That's what I really want to see, making the masks.
I hope so, you could, David.
I hope so too.
Yeah.
All right, guys, let's go to Majuli.
Yeah.
And we made it here to the river. Whoa, lots of dust. Lots of dust. So there's like a mini ferry right here. Leaves in 5 minutes, leaves every half hour. Starts at 7:30, 8, 8:39. We're here at 9. And the return is at 4. So we have to make it by 4 back to the river, like back to the ferry. Wow, I mean, just basically small ferries, super wide river. And Majuli's all the way over there, like all the way over there. So we're having a bit of an issue here. The ferry was full and we'd have to wait like an hour and a half or almost 2 hours for the next ferry. So we're going in this ferry and the car is like behind me. Oh my God. Do we get on this one?
Oh yeah.
You get on?
One, yeah.
You think? How's this guy gonna get on? Okay. Woo! Straight. That was pretty intense.
450 for the vehicle. And ঠিক আছে 10 টাকা ন 30 total 480.
480.
Yeah.
Okay, our ferry is leaving at 9:30. It's 9:08, and what's happening is that we're going to a different part of Majuli, so we're not gonna be able to go to breakfast places around there. So what we're thinking is eating something here really fast, so we can just get there and go straight to see the mask. Maybe here, something. What is there? Any food anywhere?
Roti, sabzi, and we'll have eggs.
Perfect. Let's eat.
Yeah.
Roti, sabji, and eggs.
Yeah.
Let's do it. We have 8 minutes, my friend.
Yeah. Hello.
So for breakfast, we're eating a roti. This huge roti. Look how big this roti is. Huge. Then we have some sabji next to it, which is the chickpeas with some potatoes. This one looks like a lot more chickpeas. And we also have here some eggs. So scrambled eggs. Oh my God, with chilies and onions and all that. Ooh, I stick it into this pocket right here. Look at that. Yeah. Always put it in there like that. Oh, nice. This is a very light sabji. No, it's very light. Lots of chickpeas. No potatoes. No spice. Oh, it's really good. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna break this off. I'm gonna put the egg in here. Make myself like an omelet sandwich. Right there, omelet sandwich. And roll it up. Oh. That's like an omelet burrito. Oh, nice. Nice veggies in there. A little bit of spice.
Hello.
So I'll put some of the sabji.
Hello.
Oh wow, what a great combination. Nice fluffy eggs. Chickpeas are a little hard. Wow. We're like fighting the time. We have like 4 minutes to go. Delicious, delicious breakfast. Even though this breakfast is super simple, it's really good. It's filling. It's nice and fluffy. It's not too crispy. Bear off more. Stir it out to it like that. So that, just chickpeas, chickpeas, chickpeas. I'm feeling like I should get one of these chilies. Or maybe I shouldn't. Maybe I shouldn't, nah. I actually felt a little bad yesterday from street food. I do everything to like not get sick from street food, and I still felt it yesterday. But I didn't really get sick because if I got really sick, I would be out for days.
Not fine, no?
120.
Plus the water, 150.
So 120 for 4 people to eat, roti and eggs. Not bad. If you're talking about like $1.50 for 4 people to eat, what a deal. I wish I can get that type of deal in America. All right, let's get on the ship because we're literally leaving in 3 minutes. I thought it was only half an hour to get there.
No, 1 hour. When you come back, it will be around 1 hour, half an hour, 1.5 hours.
It's a long ride. An hour to get there, an hour and a half to get back. Well, I mean, I guess it's the only way to do it, right?
Yeah, it's the only way to do it. During summers, this whole of the sandbars will be underwater. The water level of the Brahmaputra will increase very considerably, very rapid.
How much?
How much?
A few feet?
More than a few feet, actually.
Okay. During wet season here in India, the water is like intense. Monsoon season, it's just non-stop rain, right? And then what we're doing is that you can either sit inside, right? You can sit in your car, or you can stand out here like everybody around us is doing. You know, 1 hour ride, not so bad. I wasn't expecting that. We've been here on the ferry for like 25 minutes and I got really hot outside, so I came into the car. I really haven't been feeling well since yesterday. I must have ate something, it gave me a little bug, but I'm feeling better. Just need to, you know, drink a lot of water and not go crazy with the food. Take Pepto-Bismol, always, before breakfast and after lunch. It saves your life. And here we go, Majuli is right here.
Hello.
And we actually have to go around this island to get to a port and then get off. It's a big island. It's a huge island. Huge. A lot of wildlife here? Wildlife? Animals?
Yeah, wildlife.
Tiger?
No tigers. Actually.
No leopards?
No leopards.
So nothing?
Nothing.
So there's no wildlife?
No.
What about the turtle? Assamese roof turtle?
Yeah, maybe deep inside. You won't see it here.
That's the ambulance. Here we go, parking. Let's see how they park this thing.
Huh?
I love how hard it is to get the car out.
Yeah.
It's like the car can like fall. To get off first before the car gets off. And that's it.
Yeah, welcome to Majuli, David.
We have to go up the slope without the car because there's like no way to get even in the car right now.
Oh no. No space to get into the car.
Oh, damn, this is a hot island. Super hot.
Super hot. Less
I'm like melting, man. I'm melting. Let's go find some mask makers.
Yeah.
Let's do it. How much of a drive do we have? An hour? Another hour? No.
No, not an hour.
But the road is not that good.
The road's not that good? It's always like this in India, dude.
Shit.
Up here in Northeast, it's like potholes central, man.
This kind of roads.
Yeah. Dirt roads, potholes, trash. Oh, you don't like the what? It's too much.
Too much of dirt.
Oh god, the dust is killer.
Yeah.
Better to
Too much dust.
Yeah.
Too much. It's always in my eyes, man. You know, I didn't know this, but there's a lot of wildlife here. There's actually water buffalo, and there's some cranes. There's cows. Wow, more buffalo.
Yeah, migratory birds too.
Migratory birds. All right, so our first stop here is a sutra. A sutra is basically a temple.
It's a religious place. Yeah, established by the Vaishnavas. This is the Dakshin Path Sutra.
Okay, it's in temple inside.
It's a place where people come and take knowledge, teachings, everything.
Hello.
Hello.
How you doing? Can I get another one of these? Something like this? Okay, I'll take an orange one. Like one of these?
Yeah.
Each time I've been to India, I've gotten one of these at a temple. First one, first trip. Second one, second trip. Third one, third trip. I was actually waiting to get it and I finally got it. So I'm gonna keep this on. I don't take them off. I let them just fall off when they fall off. And then the first thing we have to do here is take off our shoes. Always take off your shoes at religious sites here in India. Hindu temples, always. It's like mandatory. And here we go. Wow, nice spot. Very green, lots of trees, 2 ponds over here. So we go straight?
For Krishna.
Okay.
Yeah. He's their god. Krishna is the main god.
What's up, guys?
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Very good.
Where are you from?
America.
Is this good?
YouTube.
Yeah.
This is the first house which is made from bricks and all. It's the first metal house
In Majuli.
in whole of India.
Whoa.
Now this is this japi, we call it japi.
How old is it? It must be like 500 years old or something. Whoa, what is this? Oh, it's like a prayer session.
Yeah, precision.
What is that, an idol?
Yeah, Lakshmi Narayan.
শিলৰ বাতি শিলৰ কাঁহী এখন মাইহাং কাঁহী ৰজাই ভাত খাইছিলে
65 years, the idol lamp, and it's never been.
So it's an eternal flame, basically.
It's been like this.
That's so cool.
মোবাইল অফ কৰিব
Baba mobile off kar.
Up here we have the dining table. You see, and seats as well. Wow, okay. So many things here, a lot of artifacts.
ৰজাৰ গুপ্তচৰ হাতত থাকে লাখুটডাল ৰাজ্য পৰিভ্ৰমণ কৰে শত্ৰুপাল আক্ৰমণ কৰে গুপ্তি
There are Ahom swords, which are used by the Ahom's king's security guards and king, and this one is used by the king.
That was really amazing, man.
Yeah, really amazing.
That was like such a surprise. You didn't tell me about this place.
No, I myself didn't know about this one. Such ancient place and protected by the central government. It's and the central treasury. It's very, what to say, very proud moment for people of Majuli.
Yeah, no, for sure. I mean, this is the oldest brick home in all of India.
In all of India.
That's
the first brick home.
And when was the date? He didn't say it. But
No, it's the
a few hundred years.
Yeah, a few hundred years.
Thank you. Let's go. Mask making time. Oh, I need some water. This place is ridiculously hot. We're sort of lost. We're asking for directions.
Yeah.
I mean, it's like just a few roads and nothing else, and there's no signs, nothing. Mud huts. That's
and
it.
temples everywhere.
Temples and mud huts. So I guess the people here are really religious.
Very religious.
Right here, Majuli Sri Chamagaura Satra. Okay. Mask making. This mask making is very unique. The way they do it is this guy over here, he's cutting the bamboo. Over here, he's stitching it all together. And then the guy over there, he's painting it. And we're gonna go inside right now. I'm gonna take off my shoes and see. Wow, they have a lot in there. Wow.
These are masks for sale.
Is it all for sale?
Yeah. And this is the mask made by Israeli person. She stayed here for 10 days.
And she made that mask herself?
Yeah, this one.
Oh.
This is an imaginary character.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, you can wear it.
You can wear it?
Yeah, he's Hanuman.
He's Hanuman now.
Yeah.
It's amazing. Oh my god.
Do you know wear it?
I want to wear it. My turn, guys. To a flip first.
It's a big head. Yes.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh. This is really cool.
Yeah, you look really cool.
Your nose has to
this.
fit in.
Yes.
Yeah. That's David for us.
It's the nose is what like connects the whole thing.
Yeah.
When you put your nose in, then your mouth moves too.
Yeah.
This is really nice. So all these masks, none of them are for sale. All these are just like for show, right?
No, if you order them, they will say. If you give them an order, then they'll make it for you.
Okay.
It takes around 5-6 days to make it. Not 5-6 days. It take 10 days. They'll make for you. Then it's for sale. This for the religious acts performed to gods. They are making this for the religious acts.
Oh wow.
Too big, you know.
Yeah.
It's really cool.
Yeah. Open your mouth.
No, it's not all of it. But I can't see anything.
You can't see anything?
I can't see.
Oh, it got really hot in there.
Yeah.
Can I try one more? Another big one? The devil one, whatever. Any scary one. Oh, this is scary. This is scary. Oh, I like this one. How do I put this on? Oh my god. Here we go.
Yeah, you look really like a devil.
I'm acting crazy now. Very India. This is mythology, right? No, I'm joking. This is part of the Hindu religion. So the way it works here is that none of these main masks are for sale. These are huge masks, and what he was telling me is that like if you do want one of these, he'll make it for you and then send it to your country. It's a little more expensive, but this mask was like less than like $80 US, less than 80 US, but then it's gonna cost you probably 200. But look at this one. This is the soft shell turtle, right here. Soft shell turtle. This is crazy, amazing. And then he makes these huge ones. Dude, this is crazy. That's like, these are gods, right? These are gods?
This is a Hanuman's weapon.
And what is that thing?
And this is called as Gada.
Oh, Gada.
Yeah. He used to hammer everyone, every devil with this one.
Let's go quickly and buy some masks, really fast. And then we have to go. This one, or this one, and this one.
This?
I don't know, I like Ganesha.
This.
Yeah, I'm gonna take that one. I'll take that one. How about Ganesha?
Donation.
Ganesha. That's good? 2? How much? How much? 700, 700?
Yes.
Better price. Give me one more price. And what about if I buy one more?
I'll come home.
Alright, 600 is basically like $8 US, so I think it's a good deal. Okay, let me get one more. Which one? The monkey. We didn't get the monkey because we have these 3, right? So we're gonna see them perform right now. This little boy is gonna like, he's dressed up, he's perform. I don't know, what is this, like a play? I guess it's a little play. Cool, let's see it, let's see it. That was awesome. That was awesome. Yeah, there we go. And thank you. What a beautiful day it's been. We started by leaving Jorhat. We got to the port. There we had a delicious roti breakfast with some eggs. I had like a burrito, sabji, roti sandwich. It was so good. We crossed over here. We saw the oldest brick house in India. I can't even believe that's the oldest one. That's the first one ever.
Ever in India.
And then we came here to see the mask.
Mask making.
The mask making was incredible. Then we saw a dance. I bought some masks. I actually bought 4. I bought 4 and the price came out to $2,100. So total right there is like $30 US, but they are so unique.
Very unique.
It's the most unique place I think I've ever bought masks because they're made right here. Only made here out of bamboo. And next time you guys are traveling to India, definitely look up Northeast India. Come to Assam and come here to Majuli, the biggest island river in the world, or second, who knows?
It's first now.
And guys, if you love this video, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome travel content. I'll see you in the next travel adventure in Assam, India. Peace.